Harvesting good maize silage at the right maturity is the most important objective for many cattle breeders in Europe. Or, linked with the study we did, 2 out of 3 farmers do not harvest at the right stage, which in most cases leads to conservation problems inside the silo. In addition, the global warming will increase the problem. The average temperature has risen by 1 degree over the last century and is expected to rise by 0.5 degrees to 2030. Moreover, climate experts predict winter with less frost and more rain and summers with less rain and more drought. This is why we have developed the Green Plus silage genetic to secure the feed efficiency in changing climate.
The Green Plus genetics are coming from our specific corn silage research program. And beyond the work on increasing yields and digestibility of plants, the development of drought-tolerant maize varieties has been a priority for us for the past 15 years. By observing our genetics in different places without irrigation, we worked on all the stress factors to improve the plant's ability to respond under these conditions and thus facilitate the management of the silage harvest. Thanks to a network of field trials dedicated to silage corn on almost all European territory, and thanks to specific trials on conservation in the silo, we have identified genetics labeled Green Plus. These genetics have the ability to pass difficult and dry conditions and to continue to feed the ear after this period, thanks to an excellent stay green of plants.
The first characteristic of Green Plus hybrids is an excellent stay green. Thanks to their ability to stay green longer, the Green Plus hybrid offers more flexibility to harvest at the right stage. We observe plus 5 to 10 days in average in our network in Europe. The second characteristic of Green Plus hybrids is a high content in soluble sugars. The soluble sugars feed the bacteria responsible for the good fermentation, so we have a better conservation during all the storage period. We have seen a gain of 3% in average in tests we did in mini silos. The third characteristic of Green Plus hybrids is the slower evolution of dry matter inside the grains. So the grains are easier to grind, which improves the availability of starch for the animals. We have seen in our trials that the starch availability is improved by 5% in average.